Most people will simply take a photo when they want to capture a document, but there's actually a legit scanning tool built into your iPhone. Doing a proper scan will remove shadows, crop the document, and make it look like it came from an actual office scanner. I'll show you two ways to use the scanner. One common way to do this is in the Notes app. Open a new or existing note, and then tap the little paperclip button that allows you to attach files. You'll see two options for scanning: Scan Text and Scan Documents. I'll go with the Document option, which scans your documents to a PDF, similar to a traditional scanner. The Scan Text option scans text into editable text within your note. Basically copies words into your note as text. Once I'm in the scanner, my phone will automatically detect the document and its edges, and once it has a good view of the whole document, it automatically scans it. I'm demonstrating this with just one document, but you could use multiple documents or multiple pages, and your phone will automatically turn that into a multi-page PDF file. Once I'm done, I can hit the check mark on the top, and the document is saved in my note. I can tap the title to share it, view it, or even print it. You can also scan documents by using the Files app on your phone. Go to Files, tap the three dots on the top, and choose Scan Documents. The Files app does not have the option to scan editable text like the Notes app does. Then you'll follow the same steps. Your phone will automatically scan documents when it's properly aligned within the camera view. And once you're done, you can save the PDF document directly into your files. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.